Hello guys, today we are going to see a different feature in a draft. For that we need to draw object or feature first. I'm going to do extruded feature. For example, I'm going to draw a rectangular feature and giving some height and open draft. Here is the reference. Select the draft surfaces, click the surface. If you want to select another surface, press Ctrl and select another surface. If you want to select the surface also, then press Ctrl and select the surface and click here for the hinge. Hinge means the neutral plane. For this is the neutral plane. From this the hinge will get added. Now we can see color is got changed, and this is the negative draft. If you want to change to positive draft, then from here we can change it to positive draft and negative draft, and from here we can add the angle, and here also we can change the angle. And this is the type of the face simple constant face draft. Now we are going to see the second method, that is edge draft, because some feature may have difficult with the selection of the neutral plane or a face, so that edge drafting is useful. Select the draft and select the faces is to be draft, and select the edge to play role as a hinge. For that draft hinge, select the edge and this edge will play the role as a hinge. Then give the pulling direction. For example, this is the direction of the pulling, and from here you can add the angle. Now we are going to see the third draft is a variable draft. Means the variable angle we can add over the one edge only. For that I'm going to select this face and hinge as this axis, or we can select as a plane also possible. If you select the plane, then the pulling direction will select automatically, and right click over this point and add angle. And if you want another angle, right click over this, add angle, and this is the position of the point. For example, I want it at a, and this point it has another 8, and angle it is a 1.5, and it is a 5. Now it is a negative draft. I want it to be a positive draft, and it is a 5. Now we can see the variable draft is get added. Now we are going to see the different feature in a draft. For that, open draft, select the faces to be draft, and select the hinge. I am going to select this neutral in the middle of this plane. Now we can see the at one time we can add the positive and negative draft over one face. This face and this face will get changed at one time. And in flip we can also change the rotation by clicking the split by draft hinge. Now we can see there are the 4 different options. Draft by independent means independently we can change the draft angle. I want this as a negative draft or a positive draft, and this draft may be negative or a positive from the neutral or from the hinge plane. It is possible. If I want it is dependently, means uh, both the draft will get equal angle but in opposite direction. And here it one more, by only one side it is possible, or other side is also possible. Now in a draft there is another options in a split. uh, there is another option split by object, and we need to draw one sketch. Define and select this space and draw the object. I'm going to draw an spline curve. The drafter will follow this curve. Now we can see the changes for this place independently. Only one side is also possible. Either a positive draft or a negative draft, or independently means both draft we can vary. Means I want the below draft is a negative draft and above draft is a positive draft. Both also possible. In a sketch we can add a closed sketch also possible. I'm drawing the closed sketch. Now you can see the both possibility. Now it is the for the above picture, and this is for the circular picture. Now see the changes in circular picture. This is the negative draft and this is the positive draft. That's it. Thank you.